Today's project. Cleaning up my nasty acquired air compressor. With a little bit of SuperClean. See how she works. Probably net better results with a pressure washer. I have a high pressure wand comes off my garden hose I use. It's not like a pressure washer, but it just takes the water pressure you have and makes it a little gives a little more pressure. I usually go from the bottom up. Well, once it's come in contact with water, it's neutralized. So I usually go from the bottom up and then go back down again.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. If I find my way home, yeah.
Not half bad, huh? Actually looks like wood in the bottom now. Probably could have done a little bit more damage with a pressure washer. I could throw another coat on it, but yeah, this stuff works. Thanks, SuperClean. Always good working stuff.